Okay, Mustang fans, what you hear is the sound of a purring 289 V8 in a beautiful 66 Mustang convertible. You all have seen this car before on my channel. It's been done. I took it down to Dearborn Street Cruise in downtown Englewood, Florida today. A couple hundred cars on this beautiful sunny Sunday afternoon, Saturday afternoon rather. And, well, in any event, here we go. Very nice condition. Black 66 Mustang convertible, bought from the original owner. All Florida car. First couple months in Quantico, Virginia, but the rest of its life was spent in Florida. It's been repainted. Let's have a look at this engine in here. Okay, here we go. There we go. Look at that ugly thing. Dirty, unkempt. All right. Got a black convertible top on it. So it's a black car, black convertible top with parchment interior. Everything is new. Really beautiful looking. And just a fun car to drive around in the Florida sunshine. Car is for sale. You can hit me up on YouTube if you want to inquire it, or if you just think you can't live another day of your life without a beautiful one owner black 66 convertible. This is Gauze Garage. Thank you very much.